Tired of playing phone tag with your technicians, scribbling down addresses on sticky notes, and crossing your fingers that everyone shows up on time? What if you could ditch the chaos and step into a world of seamless scheduling, crystal clear communication, and technicians who know exactly where they need to be? When? For service businesses, whether you're fixing leaky faucets, tuning up HVAC systems, or tackling electrical nightmares, efficient dispatching is the lifeblood of your operation. Every minute wasted on logistical headaches is money left on the table and potentially a frustrated customer. You need a system that not only tells your technicians where to go but also equips them with the information they need to get the job done right the first time. That's where Housecall Pro comes in. It's more than just scheduling software. It's a comprehensive platform designed to streamline every aspect of your field service business. And at its heart lies a powerful and intuitive dispatching system. Today, we're diving deep into how you can leverage Housecall Pro to transform your dispatching process from a source of stress into a well-oiled machine. Before we jump into the how-to, let's paint a picture of the why. Imagine this. A customer calls with an urgent AC repair on a sweltering afternoon. Instead of flipping through paper schedules and making a dozen calls to find an available technician, you can see your team's availability in real time on a dynamic dispatch board. You can instantly identify the closest qualified technician, assign the job with a few clicks, and automatically send them all the necessary details: the customer's address, contact information, service history, and even specific notes about the issue. The technician, in turn, receives a notification on their mobile device with all the details neatly organized. They can use the integrated GPS to navigate directly to the job site, update their status in real time, and even communicate directly with the office if any questions arise. Meanwhile, the customer receives automated updates about their appointment, reducing no-shows and keeping them informed every step of the way. This isn't a futuristic fantasy. It's the reality that Housecall Pro empowers you to create. Now, let's get practical. Here's how you can effectively dispatch technicians using Housecall Pro. First, you need to have your team and services set up within the platform. This involves adding your technicians as users, defining their skills and service areas, and creating a comprehensive list of the services your business offers. Once this foundation is in place, you're ready to start dispatching. The central hub for dispatching in Housecall Pro is the dispatch board. Think of it as your digital command center. Here, you'll see a clear overview of your team schedule, color-coded appointments, and the status of each job. You can customize the view to see daily, weekly, or monthly schedules, filter by technician or service type, and quickly identify any unassigned jobs. There are several ways to dispatch a technician in Housecall Pro. The most common method is through the Schedule tab or directly from a newly created job. When you create a new job, you'll be prompted to assign a technician. Housecall Pro will suggest available technicians based on their skills, service area, and current schedule. You can simply drag and drop an unassigned job onto a technician's slot on the dispatch board, or click on a time slot and select a technician from the drop-down menu. One of the most powerful features is the ability to optimize your routes. Instead of relying on your technicians to figure out the most efficient way to get from one job to the next, Housecall Pro can automatically calculate the optimal route based on traffic conditions and job locations. This saves valuable time and fuel costs, allowing your technicians to complete more jobs in a day. To utilize route optimization, simply select the jobs you want to include and click the Optimize Route button. The system will then rearrange the order of the appointments for maximum efficiency. Communication is key to successful dispatching, and Housecall Pro offers several built-in tools to keep everyone on the same page. When you dispatch a job, the technician automatically receives a notification on their mobile app with all the relevant details. They can also access job details, customer history, and any attached documents or photos directly from their phone or tablet. Furthermore, the two-way communication feature allows technicians to send updates, ask questions, and even share photos or videos with the office in real time. This eliminates the need for endless phone calls and ensures that everyone has the information they need. Beyond basic scheduling and communication, Housecall Pro offers advanced dispatching features that can further enhance your efficiency. You can set up recurring appointments for maintenance contracts, create service agreements, and even utilize geofencing to track technician locations and automate arrival notifications for customers. The platform also integrates seamlessly with other business tools, such as QuickBooks, for streamlined invoicing and payment processing. Mastering the dispatching features in Housecall Pro takes time and practice, but the benefits are undeniable. By centralizing your scheduling, optimizing your routes, and improving communication, you can significantly boost your team's productivity, reduce operational costs, and ultimately deliver a better customer experience. Take the time to explore the dispatch board, experiment with different views and filters, and leverage the automation features to streamline your workflow. Your technicians will be more efficient, your office staff will be less stressed, and your customers will be happier. It's a win-win for everyone involved. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.